I suppose my first introduction to soccer was when my parents brought me to soccer tots, and I really enjoyed it off the bat. So straight away they signed me up for the local boys team Arlington. I played with them for a couple of years, and then from there I was selected for the Kildare Gainer Cup team. Yes, I've captained my country at under 15s, under 16s, under 17s and under 19s. I suppose I have a lot of leadership qualities. I pride myself in being vocal and being there for the girls, and I think that's shown in the managers backing me to be captain. Every time you step onto the pitch for your country is an absolute privilege, but it's also a challenge, but it's an exciting challenge because you're playing top players from opposing teams, and you're learning how they perceive the game of soccer, and you're getting exposed to that at a really young age. And I was lucky enough to do that, and then on top of that I had the surreal experience of captaining my country. I have a very good support system around me in my parents and Wexford Youths itself. The background team in Wexford and the manager Stephen Quinn, they're very accommodating if I need to take a training session off or anything to focus on my studies. So it's definitely tough, I will say, but I also of the belief that an education is very important on top of your soccer, and it's very manageable to do both.
Lindsay McKee am shot into Della Doherty in the count.
I suppose if you think of Wexford, straight away you think of Kylie Murphy, Nicola Sinnott and Adele Kennedy, but there's also the younger players in Ellen Malloy, Aoibhinn Clancy and Ciara Roster. So I stepped in straight away, and they were the girls that stood out to me, and I'm playing in the back line of Nicola Sinnott and Lolly Conlon, and for me it's incredible every week being able to step on the pitch with them because I learn so much from them. The Cup game shows just how competitive the league is this year, and it's very exciting as players to go out every game on Saturday knowing that you have to give 100% because it improves you as a player and as a team. I think it's a four-team title race at the moment. Ourselves, Athlone, Shelburne and Peamount, every single team is in it, and it's one game here and there that can really change the title race. So it's kind of exciting if you're an onlooker. As a player, obviously you want the best for your team, but it's really good for the league, and really good to see that there's 4 teams rather than just 1 or 2 teams running away with the league.
SSE Airtricity, official sponsor of the Women's National League.